Alright, brand new week has started and it's late morning as we begin the second official week of June 9th, 2025. Cian Hayes here along with Johnny Mata. 10:03 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian National Superior Submain at milepost 353.17 with the video lined up for you. Southbound of the safety train on the way with the 3309 to lead it with the bolded Noodle logo. Check them on the roll with another C6M rebuild. As we lean back and get them, let's go. So roll ahead of the 198. Car 415 687. This is the Sanford Fleming of IC 800 653. About that. And for the P004. 51. 8th. That's going to do for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great week. See you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main lines. Cian Hayes out.